Hi, my name's Sam Lengerich. I'm product manager for Arcadia Fifth Wheels here at Keystone. I'm excited today to show you the new 3140RK full-size Arcadia fifth wheel. Arcadia was introduced 3 years ago on the foundation of our next-gen chassis. We're still using that foundation as we've developed our product. So today I'm going to show you the new 3140RK full-size Arcadia fifth wheel. And it's a floor plan that's full of design and function for every customer. We've really concentrated this year on looking at functions and features that customers have asked us for since we began the product 3 years ago. You'll notice one of the big things in this floor plan is the separation of your kitchen from the living room. Some of the kitchen features, we have Calcutta style solid surface countertop, all in your entire kitchen. In the island, we've integrated some advantages here that customers say they really want a workstation style sink. What does workstation mean? That means functions. So in your sink of the full size, you'll find a drain grate in the bottom, a bamboo cutting board on top, and also a drying grate on top. That gives you 3 full functions in just your kitchen sink. Also in the island, we've added a trash can that pulls out with a paper towel holder above it. And every island you'll find a full set of drawers to give you the function and storage that you need. The other thing we added this year into the kitchen of the full-size fifth wheel is the Furrion 24-inch oven. People always use the phrase turkey tested. This is absolutely turkey tested. It's got a 3-burner high-end top grate with full cast iron grates. That's incorporated with a full black residential microwave to give you everything you need to do a great meal for your family and friends. Also in the kitchen, you're going to find an abundance of storage. Again, you'll find large areas that open up. These are wide open when you open your doors, whether they're the upper or the lower cabinets. And then unique to Arcadia, we always put in your blackboard feature of your pantry. This allows you to put friendly notes or the address that you're at on your campsite, just in case there's an emergency. And don't forget all of that storage that's inside of your pantry. We're now in the living room area and entertainment area of the 3140RK, and it is loaded with features and convenience for you and your guests that you invite in. Standard, you'll find a theater seat with a center console that gives you drink holders and a charging area for your cell phone. You'll also find your trifold sofa. It not only seats great, but you'll also have sleeping capacity to offer your guests if they decide to stay. For entertainment purposes, you'll find a 50-inch TV, and don't forget the storage that's behind it, and you have your full sound bar to listen to music or the show that you're watching on your TV. It's a great living room, completely separated from the kitchen, and now let's show you the great bathroom and great bedroom. Some of the great features we have in this bathroom is where I'm sitting. Look at this, all residential fiberglass shower. No printed plastic wall, nothing that's gonna warp. This thing, if you damage it, you can repair it right here where it sets, just like the one in your house. And always in our bathrooms, you'll find the control for your water heater. There's nothing worse than getting ready for a shower and your controls hidden in either a cabinet or out in the living room, and you have to put a towel on just to change the water temperature. We put it right here where it belongs. Here we are in the great bedroom of the Arcadia full-size fifth wheel. I wanted to start right here to show you the spacious wardrobe. Not only is the space so important, but one of the unique things with our chassis is there's no step into your wardrobe. You can fully walk in and out of the wardrobe to get to anything you have stored in this area. Other features in the bedroom you'll find and love. We've added more drawers to our dresser, a hidden storage area under the countertop as you pull the countertop in and out, a convenient stool to set on to put your shoes on and off, and you can also lift that and use it as a dirty clothes hamper. And then always remember that super comfortable residential sized king bed that's easy to lift and has full storage underneath. All of these features are going to make for a great night's sleep or a little afternoon nap. I hope you have enjoyed this tour of the new 2024 Arcadia full-size fifth wheel. If you have any questions about specs or features, please go to our website, keystonerv.com.